Hello kids, this is your teacher JC and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are interested to learn basic English and math, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated to our upcoming videos. So, are you excited with our lesson for today? Without further ado, let's start! And for today's video, I will be discussing about factors, prime numbers, and composite numbers. Now let's define what is product. Product, it is an answer to a multiplication problem. Example, 7 times 8 equals 56. The product is 56. Factor. Factor, it is a number that is multiplied by another number to give a product. The same example, 7 times 8 equals 56. 56 is our product and the factors are 7 and 8. Now let's try. Let's identify the factors and product. 6 times 7 equals 42. The factors are 6 and 7. Product is 42. Number 2, 8 times 5 equals 40. The factors are 5 and 8. Product is 40. Let's define what is prime number. A prime number, it is a number that has only two factors, itself and 1. Example, 7 is a prime because it has only two factors, 1 and 7. There are no other numbers that you are going to multiply aside from 1 and 7. The answer is 7. And these are another examples of prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, and so on and so forth. You need to remember, it is a prime number if it has only two factors, 1 and itself. Let's define what is composite number. Composite number, it is a number that has more than two factors. Example, 8. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. 1 times 8 equals 8. 2 times 4 equals 8. That's why the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. More examples, we have 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, and 21, so on and so forth. It is a composite number if it has more than two factors. 1 is special. Why? 1 is not a prime because it does not have exactly two different factors. At the same time, it is not a composite because it does not have more than two factors. It is special. Let's define prime factorization. Prime factorization is a way to write a composite number as the product of its prime factor. Now, to give you concrete explanation about prime factorization, I will give you an example. "12 is our composite number, and 2 times 2 times 3 is the prime factorization of 12. Later, I will be showing it to you the step-by-step procedures on how to get the prime factorization. So, in other way around to write the factors, it could be written like this: 2 to the power of 2 times 3 equals 12. How to do a prime factorization? This is what we called factor tree method. First step, write down any composite number. For this activity, I will be using 48. 48 is a composite number. It has more than 2 factors. Step 2. Start dividing by the prime numbers. Start with number 2. If the composite number is divisible by 2, write down and find the next factor. If not, you need to check if it is divisible by 3, 5, 7, or etc. So here, 48, it is divisible by 2. So we have 2 times 24 equals 48. Next, step 3, check the factors. If they are prime, you are done. If they are not, proceed to step 4. Here, 2 is already a prime number, but 24, still it is a composite number. So we will proceed to step 4. Continue dividing. If one number of the factor is divisible by 2, write it down and find the next factor. If it is not divisible by 2, try or check if it is divisible by 3, 5, or etc. Now, 24. 24 is divisible by 2. So 2 times 12 equals 24. If you observe here, I just copy the 2. Okay? Because it's already a prime number. Next, step 5. Check the factors if they are prime. Proceed to step 6. If they are not, repeat step 4. Step 5. Check the factors. If they are prime, proceed to step 6. If they are not, repeat step 4. Now let's check our answer. 2, it's already a prime number. The same thing here. 2, it's already a prime number. But 12 is a composite number. So we need to factor 12. So 12, it's divisible by 2. So 2 times 6 equals 12. So we just copied here the 2, copy the same thing, the 2, and the factor of 12 is 2 and 6. And after that one, you will continue. Factor 6, 2 times 3. If you observe, I just copied the 2, copy the 2, copy the 2, and factored 6, 2, and 3. So 2 is already a prime number and also 3. So there you have it. The prime factorization is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Or you can write like this. 2 to the power of 4 times 3 equals 48. Okay? Now, let me give you another example. 4. The factors are 2 times 2. 2, it's already a prime number, therefore, it is considered prime factorization. It can be written also like this, exponential form, 2 squared equals 4. Another one, 6. The factors of 6 are 2 times 3. 2, it's already a prime number. At the same time, 3, it's already a prime number. Therefore, it is prime factorization. Next, 27. 27, it is divisible by 3. What number that you will multiply by 3? The answer is 27. It is 9. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 is already a prime number. How about 9? Is it a prime number? No. It is a composite number. So we need to factor. 9 is divisible by 3. Now what number that can be multiplied by 3 and the answer is 9? It's also 3. The prime factorization is 3 times 3 times 3. Or it could be written like this, exponential form, 3 cubed equals 27. 12. 12 is a composite number and it is divisible by 2. What number that can be multiplied by 2 and the answer is 12? It is 6. 2 times 6 equals 12. Now 2 is already a prime number and 6 is still a composite number. So we need to factor. So 6, it is divisible by 2. What number that can be multiplied by 2 and the answer is 6? It is 3. So the prime factorization is 2 times 2 times 3. In exponential form, it could be written like this, 2 squared times 3 equals 12. 18. 18, it is divisible by 2. What number that can be multiplied by 2 and the answer is 18? 9. 2 times 9 equals 18. 2, it's already a prime number and 9 is a composite. So let's factor 9. 9, it's divisible by 3. Now what number that can be multiplied by 3 and the answer is 9? It's 3. So the prime factorization is 2 times 3 times 3. Or in exponential form, it could be written like this, 2 times 3 squared equals 18. And that concludes our lesson for today. I hope you have understood our lesson for today, but if you have questions, clarifications, and queries about our lesson, don't forget to write that one in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer all your concerns. Once again, this is your teacher JC saying, never stop learning. For when we stop learning, we stop growing. Goodbye.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.